Hello, my people. Welcome. Una good morning. Una good afternoon. Anywhere una dey watch me from. Una well done. No. So now my name na my name is Kelly West. So if na your first time to see this video or to see this face, abeg make you subscribe so that you go dey see more video, and make you press that bell. That thing will be like bell gogoro. That thing will be like egogo. Abeg make you press am so that if you press that bell now, anytime when I just post video once, you just hear am boom, you understand. So abeg make you support your pikin, support your sister, support anything abeg. So today I wan come dey give una different kind of single mothers wey we dey get to, because I don tell when be say people when dey talk about single mother, dem no go specify which one dey talk about. Dey classify all single mother for one basket. No, there are different kind of single mothers. So for una wey dey talk about single mother, abeg una dey let us dey know which one una dey talk about, because there are single mother with class. Single mother dey be say fear no even let you go meet them. Why? Because they know who they know where they belong. So abeg una dey talk about single mother, una let us know which one una dey talk about. But in case una no know anyone, na me Kelly West come here come tell una say, come give una their names. Do you understand? So make we go. Number one, we get single mother by choice. Number two, we get single mother by circumstances. Number three, we get swagalicious single mothers, slay single mothers. Number four, we get single mother when we say them themselves never know say they single, and that's why they call single mother in disguise, because they don't know say they single, because they husband, but they themselves don't know say they single. Number 6 or number 5 on my list, those one I sued. Those one, they are zoolicious, mumulicious, okobolicious, stupidicious, crazylicious, anything stupid. Those ones, they are swagalicious, they are mumulicious single mother. So if you case I don't understand, I will explain everything to now. No, I will explain that to now. So move go. Number 1, that is single mother by choice. Those ones, especially those ones when they Europe, when they just decide to make themselves single mother by choice. Don't say the man go there available. No, they don't go accept them. No, maybe because of small money that they receive, they don't want to accept that man. They want you to make themselves single by choice. They go hide the man. You understand? They go hide the man. The man go dead. They go hide down. They will tell the comment say they single. You dead this single. You dead single. You born one. You dead single. You born two. You dead. Who you they born there for? Those one are by choice. They make their choice to be single because of benefit or what they get. Yes. And the other one be say there are another swagalicious single mothers. Those ones those single mothers, they get class. They go tell you say they get wetin they fit take care of their pikin. That's why they call slay single mother. They go tell you say, like, they don't want to be under a man. No, they don't want to cook for man. They go tell you say, I beg, make man carry their problem and go. Who want to be under man? They don't figure they wake up, they cook for man, they do something for man. The man can they control them. Those ones na swagalicious. Those ones just get their own problem for head. You understand? Because they get what they fit, they get the resource when they fit take care of their children. So they'll just say they don't want to be, or that is it. They'll just tell you say they don't want to be any other man. But the thing what they do for outside, though, if they carry the belly, maybe the man will give them the belly. They will tell them the man they you know. They will even pay the man off. You understand? Those ones they. Why the one maybe say the thing can they pay me back say nah zoolicious mumulicious single mother when they don't know themselves. They all they do, you know, they don't even know themselves self. Just because of say you don't make mistake, you don't born, it can't feel say your life don't finish. Anybody where you're con, you open why. Anybody where you're con, you open why. You not gonna get choice again. You don't get class again. You don't get choice again. All because you don't born. It's just they do anything doable. Or lizard will con, you go open why. No control. But you go con, you go open why. You go accept them. What can go come? You go open why, you go accept them. You understand? Even those one wey be say your brother even better pass, your inside you just see open why you go, you understand? You know you get shame again because you for your mind. Abeg, I don born now. No, abeg no better man go come now. No man wey water go come. All because you don born, you just bring yourself down. Who told you? If you are in that category, come receive brain, receive sense, enter house. Who tell you say because say you don born, your life don finish? You can't misuse your life. Just you get sense again. Anybody you just open anything I talk go just come you to hello before you just say hello. You don met. You get stress again. You don't get class again. Those ones that they call zoolicious. And why the one be another one see there when me person I they call single mother in disguise. Those ones then themselves never know say they be single mothers. They're other man though. Those ones the one where they call single disguised single mothers. Those ones they themselves said they even know say they're single. You know why? Because in fact, you know why? Because they're married. They're under their marriage or whatever. They're under their marriage. They stay in the same house. They're married, remarried, but then they say no say they're single. Now the woman go there in charge of food. Now the woman will provide for all the whole family. Now the woman will take the children to go school. The woman they work. And if she still come back, she'll still go pick the children from school. Now she go clean. Now she go do everything. Now she go pay the bill. Anything when they come that house, now she they do one. The man go just let me say the man is sick. Let me say the man break leg. You not break leg. You not break hand. Everything coming for the man body. Go just sit down. You don't have to just watch TV. Yeah. You go just sit down. Now the woman go do practically everything for house. Sister, if you're in that category, you are single. You are single. If you're in that category, my sister, you are single, really. You know you're married, better part say you marry. Honestly, you are single. Those ones said they go follow they'll go, if those ones see ready for the insult single mothers, she herself go the insult single mother. When you know say you yourself, you there single. You there single. See, my sister, my lady, or if at any which way, my woman, anyone will call you, if you don't know that category, see, you are what? Single. Don't let that marriage deceive you. You are single. You are single in disguise. The man or the help in man they do nothing for house. Nothing. You don't go provide. If the bill come, now you go pay. Today the children go school, now you go work. You still come back, you still come clean. You still come back, you still come make food for us. Why? Because 24 hours of the day go there. Let me say, this is something still follow you cook. No. Let me see cook before you come. You go there, you dey watch TV. TV where you not pay put. TV will be saying if the bill come, now you go pay. Sister, mother, sister, lady, whoever, whatever I want call you, are a single mother. Receive sense. Okay? I believe I don't classify all those single mothers. So if when they talk about single mother, when they talk about the one they talk about, when they give their name, when you classify all single mothers for one basket because they are, single mother women be say themselves. Because they are single mother, be say they respect themselves. Fear not even let you go meet there. Single mother won't be say that they select. They know. Let me say they know where they belong. Just some I see me I can't talk. Okay, bye.